Alright, if you remember my last video, I mentioned a second skid steer. This is it. It had a cracked head, so I found new heads. I now actually sell them, and then I sell other parts for this. I'm not going to take this off, but I sell their parts for, oh, there we go, skid steers. And you'll see, clean off the surface real nice. So it's ready to go. It's been sitting for a long time, so I don't really even know if it's gonna start or run. That's kind of the issue when you do this. But I cranked over fine, built fuel pressure. Fuel came out of the injection pump. Oil came up through the back port. So that's all working. The guy said it ran fine until the head cracked, and that's common for head cracking. So that's that. Here we've got all our head bolts, push rods. You can reuse the head bolts, they're not torque to yield. Then we got the new head, and then the old head that I swapped everything over except for the valves, and new seals obviously. But yeah, I have these heads, so in case you need one, the link I'll put in the description in case you want to buy one. Not much else to say. I mean, you pretty much just swap everything over. New head, so new valves. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah. A little picture of the underside. I'll just clean this off one final time before I throw it up there. But that is it. Torque specs, I don't remember off the top of my head. I'll put them in the video. But the head bolts are torqued in sequence, obviously. And the rocker, whatever you want to call it, the rocker arms, that's another one. But it's pretty straightforward. I mean, everything is on the bottom end, like the timing thing and the gear and all that. I don't know. This is the first time I've ever done a push rod motor. So, yep, that's it. So, hopefully the next video will be this thing running, but I don't know. Like, I don't know what else has to be done to it. So, fun times.